Just type in your contract, oil in this case, and just check to see when the volume's rolling for you. Don't go anywhere near settlement. Buy side bottom edge, guys. Did anybody get it? Because obviously we got buy side bottom edge cues. As you know, we called it out in the tweets. We even got the measured move. We got the halfback trade that we were all talking about. We got value to buy it. Did you all get involved? Did you all get involved? Yep, Nick, good stuff. Pretty easy trade. You can see obviously it was a halfback that we were talking about from earlier. We already knew about this level. It had toxic order flow attached to it. And obviously you can see what's happened. We've swept the sweep, and then we swept the sweep a second time, and we've always got back to the same price level, 630 to a high price of 695, 65 points. Another $1,300 buy side trade, another $1,300 buy side trade, and that's pretty good. Nice outcome. It's good. So the oil eventually stopped. You wouldn't believe it, guys. I mean, seriously, you're not going to believe it if you don't trade oil, but take a look. The oil eventually stopped nearly $5,000 lower, and that's just from last night's and this morning's trade. I mean, what? Sell side $80, low price $75.70, Mike. Unbelievable, Cliff, right? Cliff, you know, if you've got that oil trade on your books, you don't even need an MZ pack sale, do you? You'll probably pay them double. You'll pay them double. I mean, that's just crazy, isn't it? That is just crazy. Now, in terms of bigger structures, you can obviously see we blew away the prior low from Friday. That was the first major profit take, obviously, on the way down. From the lowest price to the highest price there, you can see where the target price was. Well, we're nowhere near that. That was a way down at $74.80. My goodness. Was anybody expecting that? No. Were we in position to take advantage of it? Yes. Did we talk about it a lot this morning? Yes. Did we tweet it last night? Yes. Could everybody have got it? Sure. Big volume starting to come back in again. So obviously that's the aggregation that caused this big reversal candle coming in. All on chatter, literally just unconfirmed chatter, guys. Rich, it was just Saudis came out and said that they are looking at chatter suggesting that the Saudis were looking at a 500,000 barrels per day increase in production. I don't know. Has it been subsequently confirmed? Does anybody know? I haven't heard since then. It was. The article notes the move could assist in healing the rift between Saudi and America. Now, obviously, that's just giving back 500,000 of the 2 million barrels that they increased. Remember, that infuriated the world at that stage when they came back out of that and they started to say, right, we're going to cut back 2 million barrels per day going back to October, remember? So you might say, oh, America's pushing the Saudis around. Look at how strong the Americans are. Yeah, they're giving back 2 million. It was only supposed to be 1.5 million, remember? It was only supposed to be 1.5 million. And they upped it to 2 million. So they're basically just potentially giving back the 500,000 as a gesture, right? Kind of funny. Yeah, kind of funny. Anybody would take credit for that poor performance. But hey, that's the way it goes with politics these days. Crazy, crazy, crazy.